Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I want to give you my 3 reasons for why I think you deserve an upgrade by getting this roasting pan. So this is a GreenPan Reserve Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick Roasting Pan. It's 13 by 16 inches and it includes the roasting rack. My number 1 reason is it's oven and broiler safe, up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it incredibly versatile. I can take it from inside my oven, put it right on the surface, and continue cooking with it. That's really important for me, to have something that I can use for multiple purposes. Number 2, it's easy to clean, so easy. It cleans like a dream. Now it's dishwasher safe. I have not had to put it in the dishwasher yet because simply rinsing it and washing it in the sink has been so easy for me. And number 3, I'm very impressed by the coating. This non-stick ceramic coating, it's a healthy non-stick and it really works. Nothing sticks to this pan. Not only that, but it is beautiful and you can tell it's built to last. This is an heirloom quality product. You're going to be using this for years to come. So do yourself a favor and get yourself this gorgeous roasting pan. And that is my point of view.